G4Free just sent us their umbrella. Call it a golf umbrella. I mean, it's an everyday umbrella. Let me show you a few things that I love about it. Obviously, small and compact. You can actually close it up and keep it closed like that. I really love the handle, the type of handle. Very, very easy to hold and soft too. It's got these two buttons because, yes, you guessed it, it will open up automatically as you press a button. Look how cool that is and how quick that is. And what I love about that is the press of another button and you close it up. But you don't close it up like a normal umbrella. Look at how it stands. So this can literally just drip dry wherever you are until you're ready to just bundle it all up, close it, and wrap it and go on with your day. This is so smart. And again, look how it closes. And yeah, that's for me, that's a plus. That's a really big plus. So I'm really excited about that. Really nice color. G4 Free. Well done.